Okay, folks, welcome to the new shop. This is going to be our headquarters for the duration. Today we are going to take a little time and we are going to take care of a bad fog light bulb on the C6. I had yellow LEDs and passenger side one failed on me. It got real dim, so I think water got in and possibly caused some resistance on the board, so it's not getting full power. Anyways, we got a new pair for like $7. Got some cheapies off of eBay. Show you what those are in a minute. And yeah, we're gonna throw them in. This is one of my favorite mods on this car. It's one of the first things I did when I bought it, because really it only takes 5-6 minutes of your time, and that's about it. It takes a Phillips head screwdriver. Very easy project. Anyhow, stay tuned. We're gonna knock this out in a second, see how it looks, and then we'll talk about what we're doing with this guy. Set of new driving lights. These are yellow. The current ones are yellow, but because I buy cheap bulbs, because I don't really find it to be an item as auxiliary lighting that you have to spend a lot of money on. But I bought cheap ones. The passenger side has dimmed. The chip is weird on it, so we're gonna see if we can just lay under here real quick. These are what I got. They were off of eBay. They were about $8. They're all decent little guys. Packed up nice. It's got 4 chips and a protector, and then chips on all sides. So we'll see. It's 9145 or an H10, in case you were curious. To get to the fog lights, we're gonna turn the wheels all the way one way. We're gonna turn them all the way right. Take out the screws on the inner liner. Pop the bulb in. Turn them the other way. Do the other side. Got the one side swapped out. I had to struggle with it off camera for a sec because the bulb was stuck, but this is what we've taken out. This is the good one. So, looking at this one being good, we will inspect the other one and see why it decided it didn't want to work. We'll just button this side up. Click, 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 click. Okay, everything on this side is torqued to spec. Step 3. Can't see anything wrong. I think some water got in it. Whatever. Alright. So, that was easy. Truly, changing the fog light bulbs on a C6 Corvette is relatively straightforward. It's pretty simple. About one of the easier jobs you can do on these cars because you don't even have to lift it up, which is nice. So the old lights out, we'll pack them up and put our tools away, and we'll see what it looks like. Everything works again, and we can call that a job done. Just a reminder, if you want to change the fog lights in your C6, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a little bit of patience. Oh, now we've got new fog lights in the C6, and that is done. Coming soon, we're going to convert the C4 from 6 volt into 12 volt and I think we're going to change the color. I'm not 100% certain yet. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, thanks again for watching. If you want to work on your vehicle, don't be that intimidated. They're only metal, plastic, and other junk.